So today looks to be another red day in the crypto markets. We're still moving down. No sign of that changing anytime soon. And yesterday I called out this trade that I would have liked to have taken, and it looks like it would have turned out very well for me. Pretty bummed I didn't take it, but I'm gonna keep this here just to see where I could have gone with it. Um, and I did make one trade yesterday. I was trying to go for a quick little scalp and thought I could just be in and out real quick. Um, and yesterday I said I was looking for shorts because the market's going down. So what do? I go and take a long. um, very dumb, of course, but um, I don't know. I saw this big pump right here. I'm like, ooh, this might be a quick little uptrend I can take advantage of. So I popped in on the pullback right off this 5 minute hold. And I went a little into profits, but then obviously didn't pan out. I did show my stop like I normally do, just to reduce risk, reduce losses. So I really didn't end up losing that much, but it's still a stupid trade that didn't need to happen. I really should have only been looking for shorts because that's heavy the heavy trend right now in the market. So even if it's a scalp, I don't think I'm to that point yet where I can, where I feel like I can take a scalp in any direction. I still want to follow trend for now. So that was a pretty lousy mistake. I need to stop doing that. So um, and of course the trades I don't take are always the ones that end up being successful. So here's like entry, a short entry on the 5 minute time frame that I marked but didn't actually enter. And so I was just looking to enter on the rejection of this 5 minute hold. So I saw this pullback candle, so I entered, or I would have entered, but didn't, and probably could have waited for it to actually reject this level up here and then enter a short. But at least I had my stop high enough to accommodate for that. And so if I would have entered and held on, I could have, trailed my stop to here, to here, to here, to here, and I probably would have, just trailed it all the way down to here and just let it exit. Um, so that would have been a nice trade. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep these winners going and see how far I can take them. If I was in this trade, I'd probably like I could have already been out by now, but I'd probably like go out on a higher time frame, kind of see where the levels are. I probably would have had my stop somewhere up here, and so it might have exited. If not, then I'd definitely put it up here because I feel like if this level breaks, it might bounce back into the red here. But anyways, it doesn't really matter because I'm not actually in these trades, but I just like to still analyze them as if I were. So that's Bitcoin. Today I'll probably be still looking for shorts, even though I had this um, pretty big pullback. It did hit this 4 hour here, so I kind of might look for a short here if it rejects it. But at the same time, we're still fighting this 1 week hold and this weekly trend here, so it is a pretty strong support. It's going to take a lot to break, but it definitely can happen, and it looks like it still might, but I'll be watching that. My other watchers on this list today, the maker. See, what was I gonna watch for on this? I think I forgot to take this off. I just set an alert for the 4 hour, so it'll notify me when that's hit. Be looking for shorts on Maker, but I'm not actively watching it right now. Ave, same thing. I don't think I unmarked this, but yeah, just waiting for this 4 hour to get hit. Maybe I should set an alert there too, because it looks like this has already been tested. So I might set an alert for this 4 hour right here. That might have been tested too, though. We'll see. Whoops. Other watches, sushi. So I talked about sushi yesterday. It looked like it had broken out of this triangle, but I don't know if that's actually the case, because it's just kind of fallen back through. But you can see this candle right here. This 4 hour is holding it up, but it also went down and touched this 1 hour that's been touched a lot. So I think if this 4 hour here ends, if it closes as an accumulation candle, then I might go ahead and do a long, even though it's, I don't know, it's hard to say because it's kind of ranging right now, and this has acted like a pretty strong support, so I feel like a long has a good chance of working out here. But at the same time, it is still following BTC a little bit and trending a little down, so we'll see. We'll see how that works out. So EOS, similar kind of thing. I'm looking at this support right here, held up this move here and a couple other candles here, so seems like it could be strong support. I also have this daily trend holding the move up, so yeah, I might look for a long there and just exit maybe at this level. I'm probably not gonna let it run because I don't expect, you know, a long to hold up in a larger downtrend, obviously. So Doge is kind of cool because it perfectly bounced off this 4 hour hold here, and it looks like it could be bouncing back off this one here. So I probably would not take a long here, even though it bounced off this. It probably already got all of the potential out of it already. It probably, if I wanted to take this, I probably should just enter it at the level and rode it up to this 4 hour for 6.5%, which would have been nice, but I don't think I'm to that level yet where, you know, I can take longs like that in a strong downtrend, unless I feel really good about them like these, where they have really strong supports that have held up. I might try a long there, but yeah, this one I feel like the long potential's already gone, and maybe I'll be looking for shorts if it rejects off this level. So yeah, those are the only 4 I'm looking at today. I think that's all really going on today, so